Our group project title is on Smart Blind Stick. It is a sub-theme under transportation and innovation. In this today's world, there are 2.2 billion people who are blind and cannot move from one place to another place without the help from others. And we thought of this project for blind people, and it can be very beneficial for the blind people. They can move one place to another place freely and independently. The scientific principle involved in this project are the principle of echoes and reflecting obstacle in front of blind stick. This model was made by connecting jumper wire to the ultrasonic sensor and connecting ultrasonic sensor to the 5-volt and JNT. Then trick pin to the pin number 9 and echo pin to pin number 10, as you can see. And then you have to open this Arduino software and you should write code and upload it. Join the LED to pin number 13 and GNT, and secure buzzer with the pin number 11 and GNT. And lastly, you have to assemble all the components to a 1 meter PVC pipe to construct a blind stick. This is the ultrasonic sensor which sends echoes and ultrasound waves. The received data is sent to the Uno board, and Uno board commands the buzzer, and buzzer then starts to beep, and that time the person who is using this blind stick will get alert. Inside this there is a DC motor. When the wheels rotate, it will generate electricity which will be transferred into this rechargeable battery, and thus we don't need to buy another battery, and it is an eco-friendly thing. And what is the advantage of this blind stick? There are 4 advantages of this blind stick. The first one is it reflects the obstacle in front of this blind stick, and it will the buzzer will start to beep. Then second one is it is a low cost, and third one is it is a portable, you can carry everywhere, and fourth one is it is a lightweight. Thank you.